5 Essential electrical wiring systems. 1. Cleat wiring, a simple yet sturdy solution. Cleat wiring is a traditional method where insulated wires are securely fastened to porcelain cleats fixed to the wall. While simple, it's durable and suitable for low-voltage applications. 2. Casing and capping wiring, a protective shield. Casing and capping wiring involves running insulated wires through wooden casings and securing them with brass caps. This method offers better protection than cleat wiring but is more labor-intensive. 3. Batten wiring, a versatile choice. Batten wiring, also known as CTS or TRS wiring, utilizes wooden battens to support insulated wires. It's flexible and can be used for both indoor and outdoor installations. 4. Conduit wiring, a reliable and safe option. Conduit wiring encloses wires within metal or PVC pipes, providing excellent protection against physical damage and moisture. It's widely used in commercial and industrial settings. 5. Lead-sheathed wiring, a historical approach. Lead-sheathed wiring was once common but is now largely obsolete. It involves covering insulated wires with a lead sheath for added protection. While durable, it's heavy and difficult to install. 6. Choosing the right wiring system. The choice of wiring system depends on several factors, including the type of building, the voltage level, environmental conditions, and local electrical codes. 7. Safety first, adhering to electrical codes. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical systems. Adhere to local electrical codes and regulations to ensure safe and reliable installations. 8. Professional installation, a wise choice. While DIY electrical work may seem tempting, it's best to hire a qualified electrician to ensure proper installation and avoid potential hazards. 9. Regular maintenance, keeping your wiring system healthy. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity and safety of your electrical system. Inspect wiring for signs of damage, loose connections, or overheating. 10. Upgrading your electrical system. As technology advances, your electrical needs may change. Consider upgrading your wiring system to accommodate modern appliances and devices. 11. Energy efficiency, a smart choice. Opt for energy-efficient wiring practices to reduce your carbon footprint and lower your electricity bills. 12. Future-proofing your home. When planning electrical installations, consider future needs. Ensure your wiring system can accommodate potential upgrades and technological advancements. 13. Fire safety, protecting your home. Proper wiring and regular inspections can help prevent electrical fires. Install smoke detectors and fire alarms to provide early warning. 14. Troubleshooting electrical issues. If you encounter electrical problems, don't attempt to fix them yourself. Contact a qualified electrician to diagnose and resolve the issues safely. 15. Staying informed, the latest in electrical technology. Stay updated on the latest electrical technologies and trends to make informed decisions about your home's electrical system.